Hello friends and welcome. Today's free flow is a blend of Meridian tapping, Qigong style movements, and guided visualization, all about optimizing your health and supporting your body's natural healing energy. So if you're ready to support your wellness on a deeper level, please find a quiet place to practice. Let's get our minds calm, our bodies relaxed, and let's get our energy flowing. Let's begin with our Meridian tapping to set our intentions into a firm, vibrant health from the inside out. So when you are ready, tap where I tap and simply repeat after me. Starting on the inner eye, every cell in my body vibrates with health. Outer eye, from the top of my head, under eye, all the way to the bottom of my feet. Upper lip, everything moving, renewing, and recharging. Chin, washing away pain. Collarbone, detoxing and removing illness. Side of the body, because my body knows how to heal. Top of the head, I feel strong, clear, and vibrant with health. Tapping the wrists together, taking a deep breath in through the nose, and a soft exhale out through the mouth. Breathing in through the nose one more time, and exhaling out through the mouth. Moving on to the Big 6 lymphatic drainage routine by Dr. Perry Nicholson, starting on the collarbone, rubbing underneath about 10 times in circles or just rubbing back and forth, and then working your way on top of the collarbone again about 10 times, circles or just rubbing back and forth. And then with an open palm, go ahead and tap that area. Moving on to the other side, doing the same thing underneath the collarbone. And then over top. And then using your hand to give it a nice tap. Now moving on behind the angle of the jaw below the ear, you're going to go ahead and rub up and down. And then go ahead and give that area a nice tap as well. Next, moving in front of the armpit, right kind of in that crease right there, rubbing back and forth. Again, you can do circles or rubbing. And giving yourself a nice tap. And then go ahead and repeat on the other side. What we're doing here is helping to stimulate the lymphatic system, which helps the body to naturally eliminate toxins, excess fluid, and waste, which can help boost immune function, reduce inflammation, increase energy levels, just to name a few, because remember, it's stagnation that causes most of the problems within the body. Next, moving on to the abdomen, starting at the top and working your way down to the bottom. You can do some circles or just rub back and forth. I like to give a little bit of pressure really to break up some of that fascia, get things moving, and do this 3 times, working from the top to the bottom. Then you can massage in a circular motion, going from the right side of your body over to the left. And again, using a medium pressure, don't hurt yourself, but getting in there, you don't have to be so gentle on yourself in doing this 3 times. And then once again with open palms, you're going to go ahead and slap on that area. This alone will help just to improve digestion, decrease bloating. And remember, a healthy gut is a clear mind, so very important. And then right at the crease of the groin, you're going to go ahead and rub that area about 10 times. And then once again, giving yourself about 30 taps. And finally, moving on to the backs of the knees, giving yourself circular motions on the back of the knee. And finishing up with some tapping. Our collarbone is like the drainage pump, so I like to finish with it as well. Now that we have opened it, cleared all our lymphatic areas, now we're going to just give it a nice little tap on both sides just to finish detoxifying. And now that all our lymphatic areas are open, we have to add in some movement. So go ahead and do some shaking, soft bend in the knees, just letting the top half of your body go completely relaxed. You can turn side to side, but just getting everything moving. You can use your breath here as well. Inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. And coming back to center with a little bit of shaking, stopping and just pausing for a moment to feel into your body. And just bringing your mind, your awareness to the sensations within your body. And we're going to continue to act like a pump as you bring your hands up, curling in, open, expanding as you arch in the back. You can pair with your breath. You're going to inhale as you expand, exhale as you curl in. Last time, curling in and opening, expanding, allowing the arms to float down. Placing your hands on your lower back, we're going to do hip circles, starting in one direction. Any direction is fine, making large rotations. We open up the lymphatic system within our groin, our knees, our stomach. So let's just get our blood, oxygen, energy flowing in those areas as well. And then go ahead and rotate directions. Hands come down as you clasp your fingers together, stretching up tall, standing wider apart, bending with a straight back, and rolling as you come up. Inhale as you grow and expand. And exhale as you roll through the spine, coming back up. A side view so you can see how your body acts as a wave, starting at the ankles, knees, hips, chest, and the head. In traditional Chinese medicine, we focus on the fluids, the energy in our body to flow like water, like a river. When it's flowing, it's clear, it's vibrant, things are alive within it. But when that river becomes stagnant, it gets murky. Things no longer can thrive there. The same goes within your body. When your energy is moving, you have optimal health. When it becomes stagnant, that is when disease, illness, everything else can form. Then one last time, coming forward and rolling yourself up, keeping your arms stretched tall. You're going to bend to each side, going from one side, middle to the other. We open the front lines of the body, so now just opening the side lines of the body. And one more time on each side. Coming to center and allowing your arms to float down. Stepping back in, feet under shoulders, and just feeling into your body once more. Now that everything's open, flowing, vibrating through your body. Taking your hands, scooping up around you. As you inhale, exhale, slowly dropping them down the center of the body. Doing this 3 times as you scoop to inhale, and exhale as you sink and ground yourself into the earth. Last time, inhaling and exhaling. Starting on the inner eye, my body is strong. Outer eye, my body is healthy. Under eye, my body is vibrant. Upper lip, my energy is flowing. Chin, always keeping me in optimal health. Collarbone, I am grateful for this body. Side of the body, grateful for its wisdom and support. So thank you, body, for your strength and your health, for being the perfect vehicle to take me through this journey of life. Squeezing your wrist, taking a deep breath in through your nose, and a slow breath out through your mouth, and in, and slowly out. Allowing your arms to relax by your side, eyes closed, visualizing a healing, glowing light right above your head. This giant light is to act as a giant eraser to rid of anything that might be still holding on, anything that's left that might still be causing any type of pain or harm within our body. Visualizing that light coming in through the top of the head, working down your forehead and eyes, your mouth, down your neck and shoulders, chest, washing through your abdomen, all the way down your legs. If there's anywhere in your body that you want to focus on, allow that light to hover there and allow it to get brighter and brighter, burning and erasing away what you no longer want. You can pause and stay here a little longer, but if you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes, placing your hands on your pelvic bone, pulling all the way up to your chin, taking a deep breath in and exhaling out. Remember, consistency is key. Come back here as often as needed. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know below, and I will see you guys again next week. Sending you all my love. Bye for now.